Next, let's get familiar with the operation of the screen. For a screen like this, whether you have manually adjusted it or not, or even when powering it on, it's best to first click this reset button. Click it once. The light should turn on. Then our device will start to operate. Once the light is off, it means the reset is completed successfully. That's all okay. Now, we are in manual mode for debugging. Just now, clicking automatic mode once, it switches to debugging mode. Now we will be more hands-on. This area here mainly controls some cylinders connected here. These are motors, and the corresponding cylinder names are marked in the manual. Now let's look at its working principle. First, the feeder, the vibrating plate, and this distribution cylinder are already connected. They are in a connected state. After they are connected, can you see here? This cylinder controls the retraction. It retracts by a certain amount to properly connect with this clamp cylinder. Now, we are in the fully connected state. Let me explain the function. For example, if we need to remove the laser, it moves to here, right? The control method of this device is on this control map here. For example, if you click the pickup position, the cylinder's current state is shown here. If you click the pickup position button, it moves the system to the pickup status. This is the position we have set. If you find this position is a bit off, you can fine-tune by clicking forward or backward. You will see the device move slightly. Do you see that? It moves step by step. Once you have aligned it properly, at this position, after you have aligned it, do you see this position? If you click here and click forward, the numeric value here will keep changing. When you find that, the position is exactly what you want, which is the pickup position. You can directly enter this value into the pickup position setting. After entering this position is adjusted. Yes. For example, after connection is completed, right? We also have a punching function here. Regarding punching, we first punch a hole. Currently, do you see this puncher? Its original position is at the back. When we want to punch, it must move forward. Click the punch button. It moves into the punching position. This is on the puncher. It needs to punch a hole here. Now we are naming the hole. The punch moves up and down. After punching one hole here, do you see? Another hole has been punched here. This hole aligns with the ultrasonic sensor position. Then we place the material here. The punches forward and backward positions can also be adjusted by position settings, like this. Here, the forward position setting controls the punch position. Yes. The forward position controls the cutter and punch positions. Then, for the backward movement, it's simply the position for returning the material. There is a gap for the retraction here as well. There is this wire position for adjustment. Now we put this material in. Now we need to move down one step, right? Right? Must go down. It means removing one upper and lower piece. After going down, I need to clamp it. Use this clamp to remove the gripper. Clamp it. After clamping, lift it up. Yes, it's in a clamped state. We directly place it in. Here is the preset material placing position. Once it's placed in, this position is as mentioned before. Forward and then backward can be adjusted, but this position we have already adjusted. Then we lower it down. Release the clamp. Lift up. After lifting up, in this state it cannot weld, so we must avoid it. To avoid, there's a standby position here. The overall movement works like this. It moves to avoid it. Then the ultrasonic welding starts. This is the ultrasonic part. Ultrasonic moves up and down. Ultrasonic up and down. Then it clicks it. It will carry out welding.